to add meal timings or how to select meal timings on MyFitnessPal. Firstly, you have to open the app. Then you can see here, search for a food, write the name of the food which you want to take. Like I want to take my sweets here, click on according to calories. You can see at the second option that there is a meal. In this way you have to select here and search for a meal. Firstly, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Now click on select a meal here. In this way you have to add meal timings like breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. If I want to add my cake, vanilla cake to the dinner, I write here dinner, and after that you have to click on the check mark which appear at right top corner. In this way, like here you have to see here at alls there is the food added in your history. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.